hi. Welcome to Sesame Street. I'm glad you're here because we're going to have a really fun day today. Guess who's going to play with us? Davy and Joey Monkey.
No. Wrong.
You're not going to play with us?
Oh, sure. We're gonna play with you, but you got our names wrong. Again. I'm Davy.
I'm Joey.
Oh, gee. I never can tell these two apart. They look exactly the same to me.
Huh?
So, that means that you're Davy and you're Joey.
No, I'm Joey.
I'm Davy.
Boy, this is a problem. I mean, how am I going to play with these monkeys if I don't know which one is which?
Looks so delicious.
Yeah, this is great.
Oh, yeah.
So, you guys are gonna play together, huh?
Yeah. Just as soon as we finish our bananas.
And then we're gonna play with Big Bird.
No, I don't think we can play together.
Why not?
Well, because I can't tell which one is which. I mean, which monkey is Joey and which monkey is Davy? How can I play if I don't know who I'm playing with?
I don't have any trouble telling which me is which. I'm Joey.
Yeah, and I'm Davy. It's simple.
No
big deal.
Yeah, but you look the same to me.
We do?
Sure, you both have the same kind of ears.
Hey, he's right about that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the same curly tails.
Yeah.
The same long arms and legs.
Right. Same arms, same legs.
Yeah, what's your point?
Well, then nobody could tell which of you is Joey and which is Davy.
I can. That one's Joey. That one's Davy.
Right. You got it right.
See? No big deal.
How'd you do that? How can you tell the difference between them?
Oh, easy. It's the way they like their bananas. See, Joey likes his bananas with juice, right?
Correct.
And Davy likes his bananas with milk.
That's true.
See?
Oh. Joey's the one with the juice, and Davy's the one with the milk.
You got it.
Okay. Joey juice, Davy milk. Joey juice, Davy milk. This is great. I've got it. Joey, Davy. Now I can play with them.
Right.
Delicious.
So, Joey, do you want to go to the park?
I'm Davy.
Are you sure?
Of course I'm sure.
He's definitely Davy.
Well, wait. Where's your juice and your milk?
In our tummies.
In your tummies?
Yeah.
Well, I can't see in your tummies, so I can't tell which monkey is which. Oh.
Joey, my bestest brother, it looks like we're gonna have to do something about this here mixed up bite.
Right you are, Davy boy. Don't worry, Big Bird. My brother and I will find a way for you to tell us apart.
Oh, thanks, Davy.
All right, come on, Joey. We got a lot of work to do.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, don't worry, Big Bird. They'll figure something out.
Hi, we've done it. We've found a way to help Big Bird tell us apart.
We did?
The letters.
Oh, yeah, right. With these letters around our neck, a J for Joey.
And a D for Davy.
Big Bird should have no trouble at all knowing which one of us is which.
Yeah. Oh, let's give it a try.
Yeah!
Big Bird!
Yeah, Joey or Davy or Joey or whoever or whatever.
I'm Davy.
I'm Joey.
Yeah, and from now on, you'll always know, 'cause I'm the one who's wearing the letter D around my neck.
I get it. Davy starts with the letter D, and Joey starts with the letter J, and that's what you have the J around your neck there for. So you're Joey, and you're Davy, and you're a couple of smart monkeys.
We think so.
But there's only one problem.
What?
Well, those letters are kind of small. What if I were standing, like over here? Now, I'm trying to see those letters from here, but they're so little I can't tell who's Davy and who's Joey.
No problem. We taught her that.
Yeah, we did. Watch this. Ta-da! When you're away from us like that, we'll wear these.
Yeah. Now can you tell us apart?
Sure. Yes, that's a J, so you're Joey. And that's a D, so you're Davy. I could see it way over there.
Yeah, you see? All we needed were bigger letters.
Yeah. Brilliant as always, brother of mine.
Thank you.
Yeah, but what if I was way over here? Way over here. Over here! Now, I can't see those letters from here, so I can't tell who you are.
Mm-hmm. We knew you might say that.
Yeah, no problem. Just stay right there.
Mm-hmm.
Ta-da!
When you're that far away from us, we'll have these letters.
Can you tell which is which?
Oh, yes. I can see the D and the J just fine. Hi, Davy.
Yeah.
Hi, Joey.
Hi.
Wow.
Wow. Are you okay, Davy?
I'm Joey.
I'm Davy. Don't worry, Big Bird. We'll think of something else, won't we, Joey?
You bet. I think real good with a headache.
Wow.
So much fun, Tara. Yeah. Hi, Rosita. Hi, Tara. How are you? I'm good. What you doing? Well, just here.
Oh, Rosita and I were about to sing a Spanish song about a word that's very important for making friends.
Oh, well, then I guess I gotta go home because I don't know Spanish and I can't sing with you. Well, yes, you can. So you stay here and you'll see. Stay. You'll see. South of the border, people say, hello, my friend, in a special way. Hola, amigo, is what they say, 'cause hola means hello. Everybody say, hola, hola. I'm happy to know ya. Everybody say, hola, hola. Hola means hello. Yeah, hola, oh, hola. Hola, everybody. Hola, yeah. If you go down to Mexico, to Guatemala or Puerto Rico, where they speak Spanish, you should know that hola means hello. Everybody say hola, hola. I'm happy to know ya. Everybody say hola, hola. Hola means hello.
No matter where in the world you go, there's a friend just waiting to say hello. Say it first and you'll never thirst for friends your whole life long.
Everybody sing this song now. Everybody say hola, hola. I'm happy to know ya. Everybody say hola, hola. Hola means hello. Everybody say hola, hola. Hola means hello. Hola, Carlos.
Hi, sheep. Oh, 3 pineapples.
Me.
Oh, and Davy and Joey, or Joey and Davy.
Oh, you done it this time, Davy. You found a way to help Big Bird tell us apart. You are so smart.
Wow, it takes a smart monkey to know a smart monkey.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
Hello, can we hurry this up? I gotta get out of here.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, let's get started.
Okay. Oh, Big Bird!
Big Bird!
Big Bird!
I'm right behind you, whoever you
hi,
are.
Big Bird.
What's going on?
Well, my brilliant brother Davy here has figured out how to help you tell the difference between us.
Oh, really? How?
Yeah, well, we'll play a game. Yeah, as you can see, there are 4 things over there. And the object of the game is to find out which one is different from the others.
I think I know this game.
Ready, bestest brother?
After you, bestest brother.
One of these things is not like the others. One of these things just doesn't belong. Can you tell which thing is not like the others by the time we finish our song?
Well, Big Bird, can you guess which one of these 4 things is different from the others?
Huh?
Oh, of course I can. I'm really good at this game. Now, let's see. There's 3 pineapples. And the sheep. This is easy. The sheep is the thing that's not like the others.
Smart bird.
Yeah.
Yeah, but how's that going to help me tell the 2 of you apart?
Well, I'm glad you asked that question. We're gonna play the game again, but this time we're gonna play it with...
Monkeys!
Monkeys?
Yeah, that's right. See, I figure that the secret is in the song. You follow me?
Yeah.
Now, when you sing that song, you find a thing that's not like the others.
Oh, yeah.
Well, Joey and I are not like each other.
No way.
So why not try the song on us?
Huh?
You ready, bestest brother?
Hit it, brother.
One of these monkeys is not like the other. One of these monkeys just doesn't belong. Can you tell which monkey is not like his brother by the time we finish our song? Yeah. Well, Big Bird, which monkey is different from the other?
Huh?
Come on, kid. Come on, you can do it.
Okay, I'll try. Well...
Huh?
No. I can't tell. You still look both the same to me. Can you tell which one is which?
No way. They look the same to me. I gotta go. Sorry I can't help you, kid. Better luck next time.
Thanks for nothing, sheep.
I'm never going to be able to play with you because I'm never going to be able to tell the 2 of you apart.
Don't worry, Big Bird. We'll think of something.
Yeah.
Thanks, but I'm going to have to figure this one out for myself. See ya.
What? He can tell pineapples from sheep, but he can't tell a Joey monkey from a Davy monkey. I don't get it.
Me neither.
I want to play with Davy and Joey, but I can't tell them apart. And I can't play with them if I don't know who's who.
You know, I understand, Big Bird. I have the same problem with those monkeys. They really look the same. No? You think they look different? Really?
You mean you can tell the difference between Davy and Joey?
Really?
Well, how do you do it?
I watch them very closely, and I see all the little things they do that are different. And since I can't hear, I have to use my eyes a lot more, and I see lots of things that other people might not notice, Big Bird. You know, Big Bird, that's true. Linda sees things that other people miss. She always catches things that I don't see.
Wow. Will you tell me how to do it? I really want to be able to see the difference between Joey and Davy.
Okay. She watches very carefully and pays close attention to everything they do, and pretty soon she notices all the little differences between them.
I'll do it. I'm going to start watching them right now. Yes, sir.
Good luck. You know, I think you helped Big Bird solve his problem. Oh, Big Bird, I thought you were going to watch Joey and Davy.
I forgot something really important.
What's that, Big Bird?
I forgot to say thanks. Wish me luck.
Okay.
I'm going monkey watching.
Good luck, Big Bird. See you later.
So, Joey, You want to go play on the monkey bars?
Sure, Davy. That sounds like great fun.
Okay. Oh,
Well,
I'm
well-
sorry. Oh, no.
Davy.
Ah.
Did you see that? I never noticed it before, but Joey likes to scratch his head a lot, and Davy doesn't. I'm gonna keep monkey watching. But why don't you watch this?
Don't.
I'm still watching Joey and Davy, and I really am starting to see things that are different about them. Look.
You're not gonna believe this story.
What
this
is it?
This is a great story.
Oh, tell me.
So this big kid comes up to me in the park, and he said he wanted to use the monkey bars. So I said, hey, buddy, there's plenty of room on the monkey bars for us both. Huh? Why don't we play together?
You always have the best ideas, Davy boy.
Yeah, hey, what can I tell ya?
I'm proud to say you're my brother.
Aw, thanks, Joey.
Come on, let's go play.
Okay. Oh,
Are you starting to see the difference too? Now, here's something else you ought to see.
You know, that was another great idea you had, Davy boy.
oh, well, thank you. Know, when you're right, you're right.
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 Where you going, Davy?
Oh, hi, Big Bird. Oh, we're not going anywhere in particular.
What's happening, Joey?
Oh, hi, Big Bird. Nothing much.
Yeah.
He got it right. Hey, Big Bird, how did you do it? How could you tell me from Davy and Davy from me?
Well, can't everyone?
Wait a minute. All day long, you've been saying that we're so much the same that you can't tell us apart, and now you can? I mean, what's up with that?
Yeah.
Gee, well, I don't know. All of a sudden, it's easy to see the difference between you.
Like what?
Well, like you scratch your head a lot, but Davy doesn't.
Hey, yeah, I guess you're right.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Davy moves his arms around more than Joey does.
Wait a minute. I move my arms around? I do, don't I?
Yeah.
Yeah, and Davy comes up with lots of new ideas.
Of course.
And Joey is always proud of his brother.
Well, he's my brother.
Yeah. Hey, how'd you figure all this out?
Well, I started to pay very close attention to you, and the more I watch you, the more I could see that you're really very different.
Yes, we are.
So now that I can tell you apart, what are we waiting for? Let's go play!
All right. Yeah.
Hurry up, Big Bird, please.
I don't think I could last much longer.
Okay. Sesame Street has been brought to you today by...
The letter D.
And the letter J.
and by the number 8. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.